Sir, just
Play
last.
dirty, then you have to face up to the consequences of playing dirty with us, with the Filipino people. Hindi lang kami, taong bayan yan.
Sir, last na lang. What is the legal status po of the counter affidavits? Because basically, the way...
No. The counter affidavits are there for us to use. The affidavits are there for us to use, and we will use them. And if they want to recant it, so be it. But it will be in court already.
Sir, does it weaken or strengthen your case against the speaker?
Actually, neither. It doesn't weaken or strengthen. But of course, it just points out to the fact that there are people working on his behalf to obstruct the ends of justice.
Can we elaborate, please?
They're making people lie.
Who's making people lie?
Kami, kaya namin takutin ng Marines. Natakutin namin sila. Ayaw nga nila ng protection kasi nga kaya nila yung sarili nila. Paano sila manatakutin? Di ba? We're offering them security and people here are present. We're there when the Marines, may nakangiti pa, may tumatawa pa nga eh. May kinikilig pa nga habang pumipirma eh. Tuwan-tuwa eh. Oh.
Sir, doon na po sa fabricated na pinadawit, dinadawit na sinasabi na pinipilit ng ombudsman na idawit si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Bakit po kaya?
Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung affidavits. Pero basta ako, I stand by the work that we do here. I stand by the work that we do here.
Pero wala pong pagpipilit mula po sa ombudsman na papirmahin sila ng panibagong pinabit.
Wala. Whatever they signed before stands. And they will be examined in accordance with the statements they made. Hindi sila, we will not know. If they have to be treated as hostile witnesses, so be it. But their testimonies will be there in front of people to show that people who stole money are willing to frustrate the ends of justice so they can get away with what they did. Gusto nila makawala, subukan nila. Pero ito, we stand by it and we will present it more. Mike.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon po. Lianas Kapantay, GMA News Online. Sir, yung counsel of record po kasi at that time of these ex-bodyguards is Attorney Baligod.
Yes.
Do you feel that Attorney Baligod somehow intentionally misled the ombudsman and the ex-bodyguards as well?
Baligod is a very colorful character. That's what he is. I mean, from the PDAF days, you do your research on what Mr. Baligod did during the PDAF cases of Napoles. Pag-aralan nyo.
Colorful meaning, sir, he's not always in good faith?
Well, pag-aralan nyo yung ginawa niya. So, you do your research, I'm telling you, about what he did in the PDAF cases.
Sir, given
It's a
that...
challenge on you as journalist. Investigate nyo. Tingnan nyo. Don't ask me. You ask around. I'm not the best source for what kind of person he is. I think other people can tell you.
Sir, given these recent developments, can you say na trustworthy pa ba si Attorney Baligod?
Was he ever?
Okay.